times like these, we have no words. We have only each other. Today, we come together to mourn the passing of Emily Dietz, devoted wife of Charles, beloved mother to Lydia. Scripture tells us, "Sorrow not, for we do not walk alone."
You're invisible when you're sad. Clocks tick and phones still ring. The world carries on like mad, but nobody sees a thing, whispering behind their hands, lost for kind words to say. Nobody understands. Then everyone goes away. Grown-ups wanna fix things when they can't. It only fills them with shame. So they just look away. Is it being greedy to need somebody to see me and say my name? Seems when you lose your mom, no one turns off the sun. Folks carry on, that's that. You're invisible when you're sad.
Holy crap! A ballad already? And such a bold departure from the original source material! Hey folks, begging your pardon. Excuse me, sorry to barge in. Now let's skip the tears and start on the whole, you know, being dead thing. You're doomed, enjoy the singing. The sword of Damocles is swinging. And if I hear your cell phone ringing, I'll kill you myself. The whole being dead thing. Death can get a person stressed. We should have carped way more deals. Now we're never gonna see them. I can show you what comes next, so don't be freaked. Stay in your seats. I do this bullshit like 8 times a week. So just relax, you'll be fine. Drink your $50 wine and take a breath.
Welcome to a show about death.
You're gonna be fine on the other side. Die, you're all gonna die, you're all gonna die. I'll be your guide to the other side.
Oh, in full disclosure, it's a show about death.
Everybody gets on fine here, like Rogers, Hart, and Hammerstein here. The women's bathroom has no line here, just pee where you want. The whole being dead thing, you're just gonna love the folks here. Yeah, I know you're woke, but you can take a joke here. And every show I do like a ton of coke here. The whole being dead thing, nobody is bulletproof. I work out, I eat clean, Jesus pass the Dramamine. Time to face the brutal truth, cause we're all on a hit list. Might not live till Christmas, choked to death on Triscuits. Hey, that's just statistics, so take a little break here. Kinda like a wake here, the scenery is fake here, but there's a giant snake here.
Welcome to a show about death.
You're gonna be fine, thank you, on the other side. How you doing? Oh, not good. Hey, I'll be your guide to the other side. Seriously though, this is a show about death.
It's taboo, but it's hardly something new. There's nothing medical professionals can do. So maybe just feel you.
If you die while listening to this album, it's still gonna keep playing.
There's no destiny or fate, just a terrifying weight filled with people that you hate, and on a certain day the universe kills you.
That's the thing with life, no one makes it out alive. Toss that body in the pit. Gosh, it's awful, ain't it tragic? blah blah Bible Jesus magic. When you're dead, who gives a shit? No Pilates, no more yoga, namaste, you freaking posers. From the cradle to cremation, death just needs a little conversation. I have mastered the art of tearing convention apart. So how about we all make a start on the God, I hope you're ready for a show about